Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to show you a very unique one today, as this site is exclusively for the over 55s. Offered to the market with no onward chain, this comfortable and secure home benefits from modern interiors, excellent residential facilities, and a convenient location close to shops and amenities. There's a lot to tell you about this development, and I'm really looking forward to showing you it. Please join me to take a look inside. Priestley Court is a popular retirement development set within an attractive communal grounds, providing residents with peaceful and welcoming environment. The development is managed by Sanctuary Housing and benefits from on-site manager, available Monday to Friday between 8 AM and 4 PM. Security has recently been enhanced by a newly installed secure telecom entry system. This 2-bedroom first floor apartment is the epitome of a turnkey home. It offers a modern shower room, fully fitted kitchen, and both bedrooms offering fitted wardrobes and cupboards. The apartment also benefits from WARDEN controlled emergency system, complete with pull cords throughout the home. For those requiring assistance accessing the first floor, a stair lift is also available within the development. One of the standout features of Priestley Court is its strong sense of community. Residents have access to a welcoming communal lounge where regular social activities are organised, including popular coffee mornings and weekly gatherings, creating excellent opportunities to meet neighbours and enjoy an active social lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today to show you Priestley Court, located in Grays. If you're looking for more information and would like to view this home, please give us a call in our Upminster branch on 0178 259 539, and we look forward to showing you here very soon.